Hello and welcome, friends. You planted seeds, you watered them, you waited, but still no sprouts? Today, I'll walk you through 10 fatal mistakes that might be stopping your seeds from germinating. And of course, we'll cover easy fixes to help you get your seeds off to the best possible start. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, using expired or poorly stored seeds. Old seeds often lose their ability to sprout, especially if stored in warm, damp places. For better success, always buy seeds from trusted sources and store them properly. Try this. Drop your seeds in water. Floaters, toss them. Sinkers, plant those. Mistake number 2, planting too deep. If seeds are buried too far, they may never reach the surface. Always follow this rule. Plant no deeper than 2 to 3 times the seed's width. Mistake number 3, using garden soil instead of seed starting mix. Garden soil is often too dense, full of microbes, and just not ideal for delicate seeds. Make your own mix, light, loose, and full of nutrients. Add a little perlite for drainage if you've got it. Mistake number 4, sowing in the wrong temperature. Most seeds germinate best between 18 to 25 degrees Celsius, 64 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Planting too early or during extreme heat can delay or completely stop germination. Mistake number 5, too much or too little water. Seeds like consistent moisture, not soggy or dry. This promotes healthy root growth and prevents damping off. Mistake number 6, reusing dirty trays. Always clean trays with soap or a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda per liter of water. A simple rinse can save your entire crop from fungal disease. Mistake number 7, not pre-sprouting hard-to-germinate seeds. Some seeds, like peppers or eggplants, benefit from a 24-48 hour head start. Once you see a root tip, gently plant them in soil. Mistake number 8, forgetting to label your trays. It may sound minor, but knowing what's growing where lets you adjust care properly. Mistake number 9, being impatient. Some seeds take 3 days, others 3 weeks. Be patient and give them time. Mistake number 10, giving full sunlight too early. Most seeds germinate best in warm, dark conditions. Once sprouted, harden them off slowly. 1 hour of sun on day 1, then build up. Avoid these 10 mistakes and you'll turn frustration into flourishing plants. Trust the process, follow the tips, and nature will reward you. If you learned something today, give this video a like and share it with your garden-loving friends. Subscribe for more practical gardening wisdom, and as always, happy gardening.